Hi Nova. How are you?
ونياهو
كمي صبودو عارفكا? Did you take a break?
Yes.
ጎበዝ ኖቫ ብጣዕሚ ጎበዝ ኢኻ ኮንካ ዘለኻ ሕዚ ሳልሳይ ዲያቆን ትኾን ኢኻ You're gonna be the third diacon. Huh? Yeah. Do you remember your homework? Do you remember your homework? Last time I gave you a homework. Are you busy, Nova?
No, أنا busy on him.
Oh, you are waiting for me? Okay. So do you remember your homework? ተስታውሶ ዶ ዝሓለፈ ግዜ ናይ ካልኣይ ዲያቆን ፅኒዕኻ ተስታውሶ ኢኻ ኢለካ ነበርኩ
أستاوس
ሎማዓንቲ ዝበሎም ዲያቆን ኣሮን ማለት እዩ ካልኣይ ዲያቆን ዝበሎም ማለት እዩ ሕዚ ተንስኡ ትፈልጦ ኢኻ ካልኣይ ዲያቆን ዝብሎ ተንስኡ እዩ ስለዚ ተንስኡ ከመይ ኢኻ ትብሎ ስትበል
ለጸሎት
ኦኬ ይህንን ጽፈህ ያዘው ጽሒፍካ ሓዞ ናይ ካልኣይ ዲያቆን ዝብላ ነጥቢ ጌርካ ሓዘን ካልኣይ ዲያቆን እንታይ እዩ ዝብል ሓንቲት መጀመርያ ክጅመር ከሎ ታርኡ ምስ በጽሐ ተንስኡ ለጸሎት ይብል ማለት እዩ እዚኣ አንደኛ ናምበር 1 ተንስኡ ለጸሎት
እሺ
ከጸበየካ የተጽሕፋ ኢኻ ጽሐፋ እሺ ተንስኡ ለጸሎት
እሺ
ካብኡ መሃሮሙ እግዚኦ ፈልጣዶ እስትበላ
ማርኖ እግዚኦ መሃሮሙ እግዚኦ ተሳሎሙ ለሊቃነ ጳጳሳት ኤጲስ ጳጳሳት
ቀሳውስት
ወዲያቆናት ወኩሎም ህዝበ ክርስቲያን
ጎበዝ ካብኡ ደሞ ታሳልሰይቲ ትፈልጣዶ ኣብቲ ቤተ መቅደስ ከይከፈቱ ከለው ደው ኢሉ ዝበሎ ዲያቆን ሄኖክ ኣሮን ሎማዓንቲ ተመጋረጃ ክኽፈት ከሎ ከይተኸፈተ ንስኻ እኳ ምስኡ ኸድካ ደው ይበልካ ሪመምበር ምስ ዲያቆን ኣሮን ደው ክትብል ከለኻ እንታይ እዩ ዝበለው ኸይዱ ንሱ ኣርሁ ትፈልጦ ዶ
like
ቁርባን ዝበፅሐ እንዳሃለወ ቢፎር ዘ ቁርባን
ኣርህ መጓንንት
very good እወ ጎበዝ እዚአን ትሕዘን ማለት እዩ ናይ ታእሽሙ ምስኮንካ ንፍቀ ዲያቆን ምስኮንካ ታመጨረሻ እያርሁ ማለት እዩ ብድሕሪኡ ምንም ኣይትብልን ስለዚ መሃሮሙ እግዚኦ ወተሰሃሎሙ ለሊቃነ ጳጳሳት ኤጲስቆጶሳት ቀሳውስት ወዲያቆናት ወኩሎሙ ህዝበ ክርስቲያን እዚ አላ ክልተ ታኡ ተንስኡ እዚአን ካልአይ መጀመሪያ ዲቁና ምስተቀበልካ ካልአይ ዲያቆን ኮይንካ ተገልግል ተለኻ እትብለንየን ማለት እዩ እሺ short cut you know you're gonna learn both you're gonna study both but you will be ready for to start the ቅዳሴ as a second diakon okay so you know them and next week it is your turn next week Sunday it will be your turn you will say Subhat La okay this Sunday diakon Henok say Subhat La right yeah and next Sunday it will be your turn I will train you today you'll do practice and next Sunday you will be Subhat La in front of the priest because you know the priest if you say in front of them Subhat La ጸሎት ቅዳሴ and they are going to believe you that you are learning praying and ቅዳሴ if you don't say in front of them they are going to say he don't know nothing so you have to say in the ቅዳሴ that's why I gave you the microphone say the ቅዳሴ and it will be a revision for you and you will be strong if you say that so say the ቅዳሴ and you will start Subhat La next week then they will say oh this child is learning he knows a lot he's supposed to be a diakon they are going to think like that okay right yeah so always you have to say if you don't say they are going to say he don't know nothing he never say anything they are going to say like that okay because you studied a lot of you know almost the ቅዳሴ you know the ጸሎት all the ጸሎት until Subhat La so next week you will say Subhat La don't be shy whatever it is you're going to say and after next week he will Aaron he will say turn by turn Subhat La you know Subhat La so from now you will say Subhat La okay yeah so first we're going to study the ቅዳሴ you want to study the ቅዳሴ first or Subhat La
I want to study the ቅዳሴ first
very good okay so I remember we were Sugudu right
yes
yeah we were at Sugudu so okay ስግዱ ለእግዚአብሔር can you say that ስግዱ ለእግዚአብሔር በፍርሃት this is the first diakon like Enoch they said today say ስግዱ
ለእግዚአብሔር
በፍርሃት you know ፍርሃት yeah the meaning of ፍርሃት
no
scared scared yeah when you say to bend down in front of God respectful they say scared but respectful okay respectful and scared is a God okay that's why so ስግዱ ለእግዚአብሔር በፍርሃት repeat it
سجد
time for ቅዳሴ 30 minutes. That's why I am arranging. Okay. Say.
بفرحات
Very good. Then what he's gonna say? ቅድሜ say ቅድሜከ ቅድሜ 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 say እግዚኦ
ንሰግድ በፍርሃት
Okay. Say it again. ስግዱ
ለእግዚአብሔር በፍርሃት
ቅድሜ እግዚኦ ንሰግድ ወንሴብሐከ repeat ቅድሜከ
እግዚኦ ንሰግድ ወንስብሐከ
Okay, repeat it again. ቅድሜ
እግዚኦ ንሰግድ ወንስብሐከ
ስግዱ start ስግዱ
ስግዱ ለእግዚአብሔር በፍርሃት
ቅድሜከ
እግዚኦ ንሰግድ
ንሰግድ
ወንስብሐከ
سجد
سجدوا
no سجد say سجد
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 يسجد
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 سجدوا
سجدوا
ለብዙ ሰው ነው ስግዱ ስትል bend down ሰገደ ማለት bend down ነው okay when you bend down in front of God so ስግዱ when you say you are ordering to the people okay say ስግዱ
سجدوا لأجياب بفهات مساء أنا نسدد
نسجد
نسجد نسبحك.
Okay, I'm gonna teach you before that. It's በንባብ ነው የምትለው. You're gonna say by reading. You're gonna study this one. ትእዛዘ አበዊነ ሐዋርያት say ትእዛዘ አበዊነ ሐዋርያት ትእዛዘ አበዊነ ሐዋርያት እያንብር
ብር
እያንብር ብእሲ ውስተ ልቡ ቂመ ወበቀለ ወቅንአተ ወጽልአ ላዕለቢጹ ወኢለመኑሂ this one you're gonna say you can say by reading or you're gonna study for the future because when you do ቅዳሴ as a first diakon you're gonna say this one before ስግዱ so you will study this one now you are ስግዱ say after ስግዱ
wait, so do we take turns being the first diakon, or is it just Henoch being the first diakon?
One day Henoch, one day Aaron, they will be first diakon, but since you are new, you will start as a second diakon after 1 or 2 months. After challenging being a second diakon, then you will start as a first diakon too.
Is a third diakon in another helper?
The second diakon, yeah, the third diakon is a helper. First, you will be a third diakon, just a helper, for 1 or 2 weeks, and then you will be a second diakon for 1 month or 2 months, and then you will be after you challenging the second diakon, being a second diakon, then you will be as a first diakon again. So you will exchange, one day Henoch, one day Aaron, one day you as a first diakon. After that, you will keep going studying the Qadasi, and you will exchange with turn by turn with them.
Okay.
So now after Sugudu, ቅድሜከ እግዚኦ ንሰግድ ወንሰብህ. After that, you know, በእንተ ቅድሳት remember when Enoch was reading በእንተ ቅድሳት ሰላም ናስተውቅ, when we say amen ክሪያ ላይሶን, yeah, that one you will read that. So you have to practice reading. Are you starting reading Tigrinya or Ge'ez? Do you know Hahu or not yet?
Hahu?
Yeah. Hahu, do you know Hahu?
Yes.
You know Hahu? Okay. So you start reading or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Study Hahu. If you study Hahu, I will teach you how to read, okay? Especially the Ge'ez. I will teach you how to read Ge'ez, and how I will teach you how to read Tigrinya or Amharic, everything. You have to know, because as you are a diakon, you have to read Tigrinya, Ge'ez, Amharic, everything, okay? Reading is also is a part of, you know, the Qadasi, so you have to know how to read. So summertime, now is May. Are you gonna finish your class June?
June something, yeah, maybe June.
Yeah,
June 5th, maybe.
Yeah. So this summer, you will study how to read in Tigrinya or in Ge'ez, both. So study Hahu. Hahu, you know, when you go to website, I will text you a website. You can study by yourself Hahu. You know, there is a website. When you touch it, it will tell you what is that ha, is this la, is this ha, is this ma. They will tell you. Even it's like a game. You can study like a game. Okay, it's easy.
And አላት ሓደ ፔፐር አላትኒ አውያ
ኣብ ግድግዳ አላትኩም
ምስታ ሃሁ አላ
ጽቡቅ
ወይ አግኒለይ
እወ
ይጠቅመኒ እዩ ሶ ኢትስ ኦኬ ሰንገበረለይ ኢትስ ኦኬ
እወ ብጣዕሚ ጽቡቅ ጎበዝ 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 ንሱ ኩሉ ግዜ ምሸትን ንጉሆን አረአዮ እሺ ጎበዝ ዝወደይ then I will you have to read. You know, every Saturday after if you finish after you finish your class, even you can come Saturday. Every Saturday I go to the church. So if Burhanu have time, he can drop you, so I can teach you in the church every Saturday, and have to reading, okay? Reading Tigrinya, reading Ge'ez. Yeah, we can do that, or we can arrange even on the screen. I will arrange, okay?
In person is
good, yeah, especially reading, yeah, you are right. We will do that. So now after በእንተ ቅድሳት is ተንስኡ ለጸሎት, you know, ተንስኡ ለጸሎት, then ተሳለነ, you know that, ሰላም ለኩልኩም, you know that, right?
Yes.
ምስለ መንፈስከ.
Yes.
And when the priest says ስግዱ ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ እንዘ ሰለስቱ አሃዱ. You know that?
Yes, some
yeah, so can you say it? ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ እንዘ ሰለስቱ አሐዱ. And when the priest says ሰላም ለኪ, then ምእመን he's gonna say ቅድስት ቤተ ክርስቲያን ማህደረ መለኮት. Do you remember this?
Yes.
Can you say it?
See the
ቅድስት ቤተ ክርስቲያን ማህደረ መለኮት.
ቅድስት ማርያም
ቅድስት ቤተ ክርስቲያን ፈረስ.
ቅድስት
ቤተ ክርስቲያን ማህደረ መለኮት. And ድንግል ማርያም ወላዲተ አምላክ. ዘን አንቲ ውእቱ አንቲ ውእቱ ማዕጠንት ዘወርቅ. say አንቲ ውእቱ
አንቲ ውእቱ
አንቲ ውእቱ ማዕጠንት ዘወርቅ እንተ ጾርኪ ፍህመ እሳት ብሩክ ዘነስአ መቅደስ ዘይሰሪ ኃጢአተ ወይደመስስ ጌጋዬ ዝውእቱ ዘእግዚአብሔር ቃል ዘተሰብአ እምኔኪ ሳይረገ ለአቡሁ ርእሶ ዕጣነ ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ ንሰግድ ለከ ክርስቶስ ስላውከ ኄር ሰማያዊ ወመንፈስከ ቅዱስ ማሕየዊ እስመ መጻእከ ወአዳንከነ. Are you saying with me?
Yes.
Okay, can you repeat by yourself now? This is very long. Yeah, this is very long. So can you say by yourself? I can tell you the word. That's okay.
Okay.
አንቲ ውእቱ ማዕጠንት ዘወርቅ. start ማዕጠንት.
ማዕጠንት ዘወርቅ ተመጦ ጊፍመ ርእሳት
እሳት
ርእሳት
ፍህመ እሳት
ቅድመ እሳት ብሩክ
ዘነስአ መቅደስ ዘይሰሪ ኃጢአተ ወይደመስስ ጌጋዬ ወይደመስስ don't say e, there is no e. ወይደመስስ ጌጋዬ ጌጋዬ ዝውእቱ ዘእግዚአብሔር ቃል ዘእግዚአብሔር ቃል ዘተሰብአ እምኔኪ ዘተሰብአ እምኔኪ ሳይረገ አቡሁ ርእሶ
ላሁ ክርስቶስ
ለአውሁ ርእሶ
ላሁ ርእሶ
ዕጣነ
ዕጣነ
ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ
ወተዝማሪ ዚውረ
ወመስዋዕተ
ወረተዝማሪ
ወመስዋዕተ
ወተዝማሪ
ወመ
ወመ
ስ
ስ
ዋ
ዋ
ኢ
ኢ
ተ
ተ
ወመስዋዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ
Good job. ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ
ወመተዝማሪ
ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ Are you here, Noah? ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ
ወተዝማሪ ሲውር
ወመስዋዕተ መስዋዕተ መስዋዕተ say መስዋዕተ Noah
ወተዝማሪ
መስዋዕተ say መስዋዕተ
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 ወመስዋዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ
see ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ
ወተዝማሪ ሲውር
ወመስዋዕተ ወመስዋዕተ
ወተዝማሪ
መስዋዕተ መስዋዕተ
መስዋዕተ
መስዋዕተ መስዋዕተ
መስዋዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ
good job ወመስዋዕተ
ወተዝማሪ
ወመስዋዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ ዋዕተ
ስሙረ ጎበዝ ጎበዝ ወመስዋዕተ ወመስዋዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ
መስዋዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ
መስዋዕተ
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 ወመስዋዕተ
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 ወተስማዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ
ወተስማዕተ
ወመስዋዕተ 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 good job ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ ንሰግድ ለከ ክርስቶስ ስላውከሄር ሰማያዊ ወመንፈስከ ቅዱስ ማህያዊ እስመ መጻእከ እስመ መጻእከ መጻእከ ዋድሃንከነ We're going to repeat this one. This one is very long, right? ማይጠንት ዘወርቅ
ማይጠንት ጸወርቅ
እንተ ጾርኪ ፍህመ እሳት ፍህመ እሳት ፍህመ
في مسعة
بروك
بروك
زنسعى
زنسعى
مقدس
مركز
زي سري
زي سري
ኃጢአተ
ኃጢአተ
ወይደመስስ
ወይደመስስ
ጌጋዬ
ጌጋዬ
ዝውእቱ
ዝእቱ
ዘእግዚአብሔር
ዘእግዚአብሔር
ርቃን
ርቃን
ዘተሰብአ
ዘተስፋ
ዘተሰብአ
ዘተስፋ
እምኔቺ
እምነይቺ
ዛይረገ
ዛይረገ
ለአውሁ
አቡ
ርእሶ
ርስቶ
ዕጣነ
ዕጣነ
ወመስዋዕተ
ወተስማወት
ወመስዋዕተ
ስዋይተ
ስሙረ
ስሙረ
ንሰግድለከ
ንሰግድለከ
ክርስቶስ
ክርስቶስ
ለአውከሄር
ስላወከይር
ሰማያዊ
ሰማያዊር
ወመንፈስከ
ወመንፈስከ
ቅዱስ
ቅዱስ
ማየዊ
ማያዊ
እስመ
እስመ
መጻኢከ
መሳይከ
ዋዳንከነ
ወዳንከነ.
Wow, see, now we study how to say the word. So we're going to study again. Now you can say the word. All right. Now, ማዕጠንት
ማዕጠንት
ዘወርቅ
ዘወርቅ
እንተ ጾርኪ
እንተ ጾርኪ
በመእሳት
በመእሳት
ብሩክ
ብሩክ
ዘነስአ
ዘነሳ
መቅደስ
መቅደስ
ዘይሰሪ ኃጢአተ
ዘይታየ
ዘይሰሪ
ዘይሰሪ
ኃጢአተ
ኃጢአተ
ወይ
ወይ
ደመስስ
ደመንስስ
ጌጋዬ
ጌጋዬ
ውእቱ
ውእቱ
ዘእግዚአብሔር
እግዚአብሔር
ርቃን
ርቃን
ዘተሰብአ
ዘተስፋ
እምኔቺ
እምነይቺ
ዛይረገ
ዛይረገ
ለአውሁ
ዳብሁ
ርእሶ
እስቶ
ርእሶ
ርሶ
ዕጣነ
ዕጣነ
መስዋዕተ
መስዋዕተ
ስሙረ
ስሙረ
ንሰግድለከ
ንሰግድለከ
ክርስቶስ
ክርስቶስ
ምስለ አቡከ
ምስለ አቡከ
ምስላው ከሄር ሰማያዊ
Okay.
ሰማያዊ ወመንፈስከ ቅዱስ
መንፈስ ቅዱስ
ማህያዊ
ሕያዊ
መመጻእከ ዋዳንከነ
የተዋዳደነ
Okay, you start this 30 minutes. So next week we're gonna repeat this one. My ጥንት ዘወርቅ say with me. My ጥንት ዘወርቅ እንተ ጾርኪ ፍህመ እሳት ብሩክ ዘነስአ መቅደስ ዘይሰሪ ኃጢአተ ወይ ደመስስ ጀጋየ ዝውእቱ ዘእግዚአብሔር ቃል ዘተሰብአ እምኔኪ ሳይረገል አውርሶ ዕጣነ ወመስዋዕተ ስሙረ ንሰግድ ለከ ክርስቶስ ምስላው ከሄር ሰማያዊ ወመንፈስከ ቅዱስ ማህያዊ እስመ መጻእከ ዋድኃንከነ. See, you're gonna say next week. I know. It's easy now. We studied a lot today. This one is very long. So next week, then after that, you know, ተንስኡ እግዚኦ ተሳሃለነ ሰላም ለኩልክሙ ምስለ መንፈስከ. So this one is very long, so you're gonna study next week. Now drink water, take 5-minute break.
Okay.
Yay! Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
ዳንኤል መምህር
ጎበዝ ጎበዝ ነባ ዌልካም ባክ ጎበዝ ተማሃራይ ብጣዕሚ ጎበዝ ጽቡቕ ሕዚ ደሞ ኦን ታይም ኢኻ ተመሊስካ ጎበዝ ነባ ሕዚ ደሞ ነጽንዖ ስብሓት ለኣብ እዩ ካብ በስመ አብ ጀሚርካ ክሳብ ጸሎተ ሃይማኖት ክሳብ ቅዱስ ቅዱስ ትጽልዩ ኣለኻ ኢኻ ወዶ ከይጠፍአካ ምእንቲ ወዶ ሓደ ጊዜ. So do you want to repeat from Basma Am or just keep going study the Subhat La'ab? Subhat La'ab, right?
Yes.
But study every day. I mean pray every day, Nova. If you pray every day, first of all, you know, God, He is gonna help you and save you from any evil. And then you are not gonna forget it if you pray, okay?
Okay.
Always when you wake up from your bed until you're gonna eat breakfast, when you change your pajama, when you wear your clothes, just pray, okay? You can pray. When you moving around the home, you can pray, okay? And after before you sleep, before bedtime again, when you go to the bed, pray, okay?
Okay.
I'm not gonna forget it. For example, if you pray በስመ አብ and ንአኩተከ and አቡነ ዘበሰማያት በሰላመ ቅዱስ and in the evening again you can pray ጸሎተ ሃይማኖት ቅዱስ you know you can divide it part by part, okay, if you don't have enough time. Good job. Now we're gonna study the ስብሐት ለአብ. So you're gonna say ስብሐት ለአብ like Enoch. Remember today when he says ስብሐት ለአብ and when he says ስብሐት ለአብ he said ስብሐት ለአብ and we said when he said ስብሐት ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ we said ይደልዎሙ ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ. You don't have to say that when you so I'm going to train you, okay? Now say ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ
ይደልዎሙ ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ስብሐት ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል.
Three times. You're gonna say 3 times and I'm gonna say 3 times. ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ይደልዎሙ ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ይደልዎሙ ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ይደልዎሙ ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ.
ስብሐት ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ.
ይደልዋ ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ
ክርስቶስ.
ስብሐት ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ.
ስብሐት ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ.
ይደልዎ ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ.
ክርስቶስ በምሕረቱ ይዘክረን።
አሜን።
ዳግም ምጽአቱ ያስተፍረን።
አሜን።
ስብሐት ስሙ ያንቃሃነ።
አሜን።
በአምልኮቱ ያንጻሃነ።
አሜን።
እግዝእትነ ማርያም ኃይሌኪ ጸሎተነ።
አሜን።
ትሰሪ ኩሉ ኃጢአተነ።
አሜን።
መመርበሩ እግዚእነ።
አሜን።
ለአነ ዘንተ ህብስተ
በለዓለ ምሕረቱ
ወለት
ዘአስተየነ
ወዘአስተየነ ዘንተ ሱአ
በለዓለ ምሕረቱ
ወለስስራ ለነ ሲሳየነ ወአራዘነ
በለዓለ ምሕረቱ
የስለነ ኩሉ ኃጢአተነ
በለዓለ ምሕረቱ ወለተስርዓ ለነ ኩሉ ወለዘወሀበነ ሥጋሁ ቅዱሰ
ወደሙ ክቡረ
በለዓለ ምሕረቱ
ወለስስ
በለዓለ ምሕረቱ. Then you're gonna stop here, okay? When you say ስብሐት ለአብ and then the priest is gonna start ናሃብለቱ ስብሐተ ወአኮቴተ ወለወላዲቱ ድንግል ወለመስቀሉ ክቡር ይትአኮት ወትረ በኩሉ ጊዜ ወበኩሉ ሰዓት. He's gonna finish by himself. You don't have to say that.
Okay.
But we're gonna study it, but you are not gonna say in the church just only the ስብሐት ለአብ what he said now.
You do this?
You can do, yeah. You can do like that, yeah. It's very good, yeah.
Or
yeah, you can do that, yeah.
You have to, like.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's respectful. If you do in netala, you have to ትእምርተ መስቀል ነጠላ like this. If you have a netala, and you can do like this also. It's very good. Okay, it's good. It's respectful. Yeah. You will say like this, and when you say ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ ስብሐት ለአብ ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ ስብሐት ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ ስብሐት ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ በምህረቱ ይዘከረነ አመዳግም በምጽአቱ እያስተሐፍረነ ለስብሐተ ስሙ ያንቀሃነ ለገቢረ ፍቃዱ ያቁመነ ወአምልኮቱ ያጽናአነ እግዚእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ አይርጊ ጸሎተነ ቅድመ መንበሩ ለእግዚእነ ለዘአብልዐነ ዘንተ ህብስተ ወለዘአስተየነ ዘንተ ጽዋዓ ወለዘሰርዓ ለነ ሲሳየነ ወአራዘነ ወለዘተአገሰ ለነ ኩሎ ኃጢአተነ ወለዘወሀበነ ሥጋሁ ቅዱሰ ወደሙ ክቡረ ወለዛ ኣብፀሃነስ ከዛቲ ሰዓት that's it. This is your portion. Okay, you're gonna say this and the priest is gonna say nahavlet subhat Kotiet is gonna finish by himself. So how are you gonna study this one? I will give you a system. Okay, now you guys, when you eat dinner, after you finish dinner, say subhat la. Okay, I know if you have lunch at home, you can say subhat la. If you don't have lunch at home, if you are at school, you don't worry. So when you come back home, after you eat your dinner, say subhat la'ab, and your dad and your mom, they can say, they will say the portion, and you gotta tell them when you say subhat la'ab, subhat lo, subhat l'menfes ቅዱስ, tell them they are gonna say ይደልዎም ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ. I know your dad, he knows that. So even he can use the book. They can use the book. Okay, so say subhat la'ab every day. Now after you eat, say subhat la'ab. First of all, it's thankful to the God. It's saying thankful to the God because God, he gave us the food, and after we ate, we have to say to thanks. We have to say thank you to the God, right? So second, you're gonna study it. So after you eat, say subhat la'ab. It's not gonna take 5 minutes. For example, I'm gonna put now 5 minutes, and you're gonna say subhat la'ab. It's very, very small minute. You are not gonna take that much time. So subhat la'ab, that's why you're gonna start now. Start subhat la'ab. I put 5 minutes. ይደልዎም ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ
ስብሐት ለወልድ ቅዱስ
ይደልዎም ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ
ስብሐት ለወልድ ስብሐት ለመንፈስ ቅዱስ
ይደልዎም ለአብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ
ስብሐት ለመስቀለ
ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም
ስብሐት ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ
ይደልዋ ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ
ስብሐት ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ
ይደልዎ ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ
ምሕረቱ ይዘክረነ
አሜን
አመዳግም ምሥራቱ ያስታፍረነ
አሜን
ለስብሖተ ስሙ ያንቅሐነ
አሜን
ወበአምልኮቱ ያንጽሐነ
ያጽንዓነ
ያጽንዓነ
አሜን
እግዚእትነ ማርያም አይርይ ጸሎተነ
አሜን
ሰሪ ኩሎ ኃጢአትነ
አሜን
ቅድመ መድበሩ እግዚእነ
አሜን
ለአነ ዘንተ ህዝተ
ለዓለም ምሕረቱ
ወለስራ ለነ
ለዘአብልዐነ ዘንተ ህብስተ
ለተአብልዐነ ዘንተ ህብስተ
ለዓለም ምሕረቱ ወለዘአስተየነ ዘንተ ጽዋዓ
ለዘአስተየነ ዘንተ ጽዋዓ
ለዓለም ምሕረቱ
ስራ ለነ
ወለዘወሀበነ ሥጋሁ ቅዱሰ
ሥጋሁ ቅዱሰ ወደሙ ክቡረ
ለዓለም ምሕረቱ ነሀብለቱ ስብሐተ
ስብሐተ
Then this one, the priest is gonna say that. So how many minutes we take now to say this? Just only 2 minutes. 2 minutes, okay? So it's not gonna take that much time. So dinner time, after you finish, say subhat la'ab, okay?
Sure.
Yeah, subhat la'ab. But we're gonna study now. We're gonna keep going study the nahavletu subhata wa akoteta. Say nahavletu subhata wa akoteta.
nahabletu subhata wa akoteta.
ወለወላዲቱ ድንግል
ወላዲቱ ድንግል
ወለመስቀሉ ክቡር
ክቡር
ይትሴባህ ወትረ
ይትሴባህ ወትረ
በኩሉ ጊዜ ወበኩሉ ሰዓት This is good for next time. The study this subhat la'ab and you will say in the church subhat la'ab. Do you want to repeat one more One more time.
Yes.
Okay. Say Svatla.
Spatula, Svatlo, Lomus Kudus,
Delum la awol መንፈስ ቅዱስ
La Svatlo, Spatlomus Kudus,
delum la awol መንፈስ ቅዱስ
La Svatlo, Spatlomus Kudus,
delum la awol መንፈስ ቅዱስ
ስብሐት ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ
ይደልዋ ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ
ስብሐት ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ
ይደልዎ ለመስቀለ እግዚእነ ኢየሱስ ክርስቶስ
በምሕረቱ ይዘክረነ
አሜን
ዳግም ምጽአቱ ያሳፍረነ
አሜን
ሕይወተ ስሙ ያንቃሃነ
አሜን
ልኮቱ ያንጽሐነ
አሜን
ለእግዝእትነ ማርያም ማሪግ ስለውተነ
አሜን
ሰሪ ኩሉ ኃጢአተነ
አሜን ለመንበሩ ለእግዚእነ
መመርበሩ እግዚእነ
አሜን
ዘታብላነ ዘንተ ህብስተ
መላለም ምሕረቱ
ለምሕረቱ
መላለም ምሕረቱ
መላለም ምሕረቱ
ለዘአብልዐነ ዘንተ ህብስተ
ዘታብላነ ዘንተ ህብስተ
መላለም ምሕረቱ
ስርዓት
ወለዘወሃበ ለዘአብልዐነ ዘንተ ህብስተ ወለዘወሃበነ ወለዘሰርዐለነ ሲሳየነ ወአራዘነ
መላለም ምሕረቱ
ወለዘወሃበነ ስጋሁ ቅዱሰ ወደሙ ክቡረ
ለምሕረቱ
ዘን ናሃብለቱ so when they are going to say መላለም ምሕረቱ you say ለዘአብልዐነ ዘንተ ህብስተ ወለዘወሃበነ ዘንተ ጽዋዓ ወለዘሰርዐለነ ሲሳየነ ወአራዘነ ወለዘተአገሰ ለነ ኩሎ ኃጢአተነ ወለዘወሃበነ ስጋሁ ቅዱሰ ወደሙ ክቡረ you're gonna say this one study this one next week you will say this in the church this is very big homework it's not stressful because you know it already just repeat it and when you say if you miss it we're gonna fix it okay you don't have to be worried you don't have to be stressful
I make a mistake of the priest am I still going to do it again
yeah you can do it again you will say turn by turn you know now you're gonna start next week and until you know until whatever you know you will say if you don't know anything we will help you to finish it then next time you will be you will be fix it you will study more and ቅዳሴ time you have to say the ቅዳሴ okay don't be quiet say the ቅዳሴ because it's a part of revision and praying so if sometimes if you got tired even you can take a break you can sit down okay but you can say the ቅዳሴ even you sit down you are a child sometimes if you got tired you can sit down but say the ቅዳሴ okay anytime say the ቅዳሴ but you have to stand up when the priest say ahadu and ለመድኃኔ ዓለም when they said ለመድኃኔ ዓለም ወይ ከልልዎ ለመድኃኔ ዓለም and when they say እግዚኦ ምህላ at this time you have to standing up if you but the rest of if you got tired sometimes you can sit down okay don't worry
tense a lot do I have to stand up or
yeah when he said the diakon tensu ለጸሎት that means stand up so if you are not tired stand up but sometimes if you got tired you can take a break a little bit okay yeah you are a child time by time you will do it okay just repeat the ቅዳሴ with the priest with us and when the diakon he said you can say for yourself a little bit ተንሥኡ ለጸሎት inside you know so it's good now you are doing well Nova you are very close and summertime you will study well and I'll give you some advice how is your grade now at school? Is the grade is good? Are you doing well on your education? Yeah, today what did you understand about the history of Saint Yared today?
Yes.
Remember? What did you hear? What did you understand from Saint Yared?
So what I understand from him is that even when he grew up, he still was struggling.
Mm-hmm.
And Bo'olu'u, Abu Moitu, when he was 6 years old, 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then Akwo, I
Yeah,
think
his uncle. Yeah, his uncle. Yeah.
he started learning with him.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then I think La Rabashaneru,
Mm-hmm.
Zaf Khaidu,
Mm-hmm.
አምላክ እግዚአብሔር ምልክት አምጽዎ
Mm-hmm.
say ant
Yeah, aunt. Yeah, Gundan. Okay.
times ሄዳ ሸውዓተ ጊዜ ሄዳ
Yeah.
and seven times
Yeah, she passed.
ላብላ
Oh, ይክላም ያ
ነጊርኒ ነይሩ
ብጣዕሚ ጽቡቅ። ስለዚህ, you know, did you understand when Enoch was teaching in English also?
yeah
Yeah. So, Saint Yared he was a very hard worker, okay? He was studying hard. That's why he knows everything and God helped him. So now he's a leader in our Orthodox Church, okay? He's our leader.
Okay. People say they don't know where he lives. Is that true? Or
Saint Yared, he not died, okay? He didn't die. He's alive.
yeah, but like
Yeah, he's alive. Like Enoch and Ezra, they are alive, okay? But they are invisible. We can't see them. They are invisible.
yeah, but like do people still know where Saint Yared lives? Or is it just
Maybe he's in the Gannat, you know?
maybe?
Yeah, maybe. So God knows. So, but he's invisible. He didn't die. He's alive. So what I call Saint Yared, and we have to be hard worker like Saint Yared, okay? Saint Yared is from Aksum. He's from Tigray. He's from Tigray. He's from Ethiopia. He's from Tigray. So I mean, Aksum is in Tigray. Tigray is in Ethiopia. So Saint Yared is from Tigray. He was a very hard worker student, okay? So we have to work hard on our education because we don't have to study only Qadasi. We don't have to study only Tzalot. We have to study also our education. You know, the Qadasi and the Tzalot, it helps for our, that is the connection of, is a connection of with our God, right? When we pray, we have connection with our God. When you do Qadasi, we have connection with our God. And our God is our Father, and He's keeping us from any evil, and He saved us from the evil, right?
Yes.
So that's why we have to study Qadasi. We have to serve to God. So we are studying Qadasi and Salah. But we have to hard work, okay? To get what? Do you understand? To get what? Nova? Why we are learning?
So
why we are going to school?
To school to learn?
To learn. And after that, to get what?
To get a degree, like
Yeah.
Like good grades.
And to get what after that? To get a good job, right? And after that, if we got a good job, we got money, right?
Yes.
If we got money, we're gonna get a good home and we will have a good family, right?
Yes.
So going to school is very important. So when you go to school, always we have to work hard on our education. Okay? Education is very important. You know, people, they don't have the chance to go to school. You don't have the chance to come to US, right? But we are lucky. We are here. US is the land of opportunity. We can go, we can study whatever we want, any education. We can be a doctor, we can be an engineer, whatever, okay? So when you go to school, work hard, okay, on your education. Always when you do, you have to say, I have to get A. When you study, you have to say, I have to get A. When you take the exam, you have to concentrate on your exam and you have to think, I have to get A. Don't think B, okay?
Okay.
Always you have to say, I have to be A student. I have to get A maths. I have to get A English. I have to get A science. I have to get PE. I have to get A PE, everything. So to get A, what you have to do? First, do your homework, study, and eat good nutrition food, okay? Sleep well, and study. And when you go to school, always, when you go to in class, you have to respect your teacher. You know, we respect our priest in the church. Remember? Nova? Nova.
Yes.
We respect our priest, right?
Yes.
Because he is our leader in the church, right?
Yes.
So when you go to class, we have to respect our teacher. Respect means you don't have to be bent down in front of the teacher like the priest. Just listen to him. If you have a question, raise your hand and ask him. If you don't understand, raise your hand and ask him. And do your homework, do your classwork on time. And when the teacher is teaching, don't talk anything with your friends, with anybody. When he call you, say yes. Okay? Then the teacher, he's gonna respect you. He's gonna say, wow, Nova is a good student. He must get A. He is a good student. He never, he never do bad things. Always he is participate in the class. He is doing his classwork. He is doing his homework. So he is a hard worker student. Then he's gonna help you, and he's gonna respect you more. Okay. So always you can play with friends when you have time, when you have free time. If the teacher is not in the class, you can talk, you can have friends, that's okay. But if the teacher is in the class, that is your job, that is your work. Because when you go to work, when you are working, you can't play with your friends. So when you are in the class, always listen to your teacher, follow your teacher's advice, and do your job, and you'll get a good grade, and the teacher will love you and will respect you, and you'll get A, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So always do that, okay? So hopefully you'll get a good grade this semester. And I think now it's exam time, okay? Study hard, sleep well. If you don't sleep, you can't do Did you see Aaron today? He was sleeping.
Yeah,
Why he was sleeping?
because he was working, like he was
Studying
at night.
nighttime. See, so it's not good. I don't support that. He was a lot of work, so he was studying the whole night. But he is a college student. So, but you sleep well, study hard, and you'll get a good grade, and you'll go to college, university. Okay? And
Okay.
you'll graduate, you will have a good job. So to do that, you have to work hard, okay?
Okay.
So
Thank-
you are a good student. I love you, Nova. See you next Sunday.
Thank you for your advice.
Thank you so much. I love you, Nova.